Ify, Afa. See, I see that girl they call Tina, and I sure say na this shop she dey come.
Tina.
Go
tell us I know they go fast now.
Wait,
She go reach here.
see this one. Person one I already tell say you dey inside shop.
What? Why you go do like that now?
Ifeoma, no tell me say you never saw this girl clothes finish. I know me she come here come scatter this shop.
I never saw him. You know say I no get chance.
You no get chance.
So why you go tell us that?
My hand no dey. Leave me.
Hey, Ify baby. How far now? They call you know they pick my call.
See baby.
Where my clothes?
Calm down now. You know still know they frown for here.
I don't understand. Where my clothes were I give you since 2 weeks?
You see that your clothes here? That your clothes don't stress me. I no go lie. The applique where I want use for that clothes, I don't find I know they see them. Even get one button where I want use so that you go find. You know that style for Instagram where you say make I do now. Just calm down, eh? On Thursday I will bring the clothes for you.
Which one be Thursday, Ify? Wedding now tomorrow now.
No worry, she won't give you style we go choke. Calm down.
I beg, that one not even. Why are you doing like this now? You're reforming my money. Give me that clothes. Make I go stand somewhere else.
See, baby, refund. Baby, calm down. Who be this one? Who wants to reach me for this our area?
I don't know.
Nobody now. Who
Nobody.
What's going to happen? We say, we know the refund for here, so I go.
The money no deal. We don't use
so I go swam this night. No worry. Because of you, I no go sleep. I go swam.
We'll go bring and call your
So
house.
when you talk to make I come tomorrow.
I go bring and come to
And
your
tomorrow
house.
the clothes go ready.
Yes, now I go deliver them for you.
Oh, this night.
This night, you go ready this
If
night.
this clothes not ready tomorrow, if you disappoint me tomorrow, you go refund me my money. I'm here, you get good problem.
See, baby, calm down. No disappointment.
No, calm down. We know the refund.
I don't tell you my own. If my clothes is not ready by tomorrow, you refund me my money.
No wahala. I
Calm
go bring
down
them come
now.
your house, eh?
Nah.
See, baby, smile, yeah. We know they frown for here.
That's how you used to do.
See
Yourself.
you know be
You two
better
dey
friend.
blow lie.
I beg get out. you know if you stop the girl. You know say I never doing clothing. It's gonna talk another thing.
If you like, no go so her clothes finish.
Let me see.
But
The
Ifeoma,
money to even.
I don't care for you. You dey lie.
The money to buy the things for that girl clothes no there.
My hand no day. You see my armpit, no hair. My hand no day.
My baby. My baby. Mbate na wine. Forget. Every time you dey squeeze me, wetin dey happen?
Just everything happen.
Fine
Wetin dey
girl
do for
na
my
star. Forget. You too fine. Forget. After this one, I be the last beauty wey God create before you become albino.
Joseph, they go. They go now. Go meet Lovette. I said I know they do again. We don't break up. Leave me now. Make a rest.
You don't do. I don't break up with Lovette. You see that girl? That girl na idiot. That girl won't finish my destiny. True. As I did like this now, now you be my all in all. You be my every. No verse. I don't break up with her. Now me and you now.
Don't talk finish. I know
Mbate,
they do it again. I know they do again.
one man like that.
Like that for where? Don't be for my shop. You go like that. Go like that for your house. Joseph, see, I did very busy. Load full my head. They go.
Why you dey stress my life like this now?
You know nothing go happen. Go, I go call you.
Ah, I be the shaker.
Jojo.
Fine girl and star.
Jojo.
Give away on Instagram. You too fresh, I beg, forget.
Oh yeah, go now. I go call you so we go talk about things, eh? Jojo.
I be the shaker.
Jojo.
Mommy, mo.
They go, I'll call you, yeah?
Like this, your laugh no enter belly.
I will call you. When I call you, we go talk. Yeah?
No problem.
Jojo.
Mommy. 2024 mommy. They mad.
Okay.
Now yeah, God finish work now.
Joseph, Joseph, go now.
If you mommy, you too sweet, I beg you, they mad. Forget that. Say, man, I touch you small before I go.
Joseph.
Mommy.
It be like say because of you, I go put lock for my shop.
You too sweet, I beg you. They are crazy. They're mad.
What kind of problem be this now? She in relationship now by force. So I told him that I would think about it.
I don't understand, Ify. What are you thinking about? I beg, just let that guy go. Let him go. It's a bad luck.
No, I don't even understand, Joseph, eh? Like you dumped me. Leave me follow another girl. Give another girl belle. Now you won't use pity pattern. Make me and you come back together again.
You want a pity, you go take pay bills in the crease. Yeah, no correct. If I see him near you again, I will use. Let me just don't say anything. Let him go.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Just sit.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome to Ife's tailor shop.
Thank you.
How
Thank
can I
you.
help you, sir?
My driver recommended me here.
Okay.
And you see this clothes right here? My tailor made it, but he did a terrible job with it. I have this, the fitting is ridiculous. So I was wondering if you could make some adjustments to it, and correct it with your specialty. You could help me make some adjustments because I have this event I really need to wear it to, and I don't have so many.
Sir,
Yeah.
you have nothing to worry about. I'm the best around here. Just tell me what you want and I'll do it ASAP. So you said the
Okay.
clothes is tight?
It's
What area?
tight. Yeah, it's the bust area, really tight.
Okay,
Yeah.
can I take your measurements?
Of course, yes. Yeah. Wow, that was beautiful and improvement in the finish. It's now free and it's
I'm
way
glad
better.
you like it. Though,
Yeah. Thank you very
Let
much.
me package that for
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't get the name. I honestly forgot to
My
ask
name
for
is
the name.
Ifeoma. Ife's tailoring shop.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Ify. I'm Phil. All right. I was wondering if you have. You do you make things like this?
Of course, sir. Anything that has to do with tailoring, I'm the best. Ask about me around. Everyone knows my place.
Perfect for me. Because I'm going to send you some styles on
Okay.
WhatsApp, and I'll send someone to come with the fabrics. Okay? Because
Sure,
you're going to
sir.
make a whole lot of things for me. I love you see a lot of things like this.
Sir.
Yeah.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
That would be
Let me
really,
give
really
you
good.
My number.
Yes, you definitely should get. So I will send you
Okay.
the styles on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. All right, sir.
Okay then. All right.
All right.
Ifeoma, right?
Yes, Ifeoma. Please
Ifeoma.
flash me so I will.
Okay.
I can remind you. Oh, girl. You need to see this guy. Huh? He's so cute. I mean, at the height, tall. And the way he took off his clothes to fit the dress, girl, you need to see chest, 6 packs. I'm in love. Nothing you won't tell me. I have found the absolute love of my life. And I feel so good about it.
You found the absolute love of your life.
Yes.
A man who doesn't even know you exist. And I'm sure he has a serious girlfriend somewhere.
Bad Bele. Must you say something bad? Which one be the man who knows I exist? Man wait tell me saying go bring more clothes for me to sew for her. Girl, I don't meet my husband. Very soon my status go change. Yes, so you go call me Mrs. Phil. Bet me.
Yeah, who they bet?
Bet me.
Wake up from your dreams.
Talk of the devil. Hello? Oh, yes, of course I know it's you. For real? You'll bring the clothes yourself? Okay, yes, I'll be expecting you, sir. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Girl, did you hear that?
What is wrong with this girl? What is
That's
wrong
my
with you?
man. That's my man. As I'm thinking about him, he's equally thinking about me. It means we are spiritually, physically connected. Let's make a toast.
What's me and you? Wake up.
Adele.
Wake up.
That's my man.
Hey.
Okay, so I will do justice to this material.
Okay.
But first, please, I need to offer you something. I mean, you can't be waiting like that now. At least, let me get you refreshments, okay? You know, you're in my shop. I need to offer you something as my big customer. Give me a second.
It's all right. No
Okay.
problem. Thank you. Thank you
Sure,
very much.
sure. Anything for you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank
Most
you,
welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. So, when do I come for the rest of the clothes?
In a week time, sir.
1 week.
Yes, 1 week. Sir, don't worry. You need to disappoint for here. So if I tell you a week time, a week time.
A week.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not that?
No. We don't need to do like that for here, sir.
All right then. Okay, so you will give me your account number, and
Okay.
I'm gonna credit you, okay, with a little something. All
But
right.
you have it already.
Well, too many transactions, you know.
Thank you.
All right.
GT Bank.
Oh, okay. All right then. So I'll see you in a week. Then
week.
you can have this for. I know the hospitality is small, but just hold this. It's
Sir,
all right.
this is too much.
Well, I
Thank
don't
you
know.
so much.
I don't know your definition for much, but it's the least I can do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'll see you out.
Okay then.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I think I should go with it.
Yeah,
now.
sure. Go with everything. You deserve
I
it.
even like the biscuits, so it's okay. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Really, really nice doing business with you.
Thank
okay?
you so much.
All right,
Thank you
so,
for this.
As you said, I'll see you in a week time.
In a
okay?
week time, sir.
Nice doing business with you.
Bye.
You take care.
Take care.
All right then. Yeah. Ah.
Hey, na him be that.
Naim na. No satisfy.
My friend, you don't hammer. You don't meet better jackpots. Better jackpots.
Girl, guess what?
He asks you out.
No, not yet. This guy here, you know, just fine. He did generous. See now, he dashed me 20,000 naira.
20 back.
Yes, so
Hey!
fine,
Babe,
and
you
he gonna
don't
give
hammer.
money.
But this kind of people know they like people like us. So.
Which one people like us? What's happened? People like us? I be alien. I be I no fine rich.
But now you can't dey talk like the alien because you know use your eyes. See, say we know be their class.
Girl, talk for yourself. For us, it seem like this. I be that guy spec and more. Eh? Now me and you know they're the same class. In case you don't know. You know what? I waste you go chop. I take.
Waiting me this.
You know
Inside
what?
20 by they give me what? Give me 10%.
This girl, you two they shine eye. I don't see him.
Madam, give
I better
me-
come out from here. See what they give you.
Hey, just one back.
Remain finishing touch now. My bubble clothes will be ready. My crush.
Now why you smell like that?
Yes, now he's coming soon. I can't wait to see him. I want to be looking at his face while I'm doing it.
Okay, now why you dey open your face like you like say you dey in love with this guy?
Girl, this your crush. I mean, yeah, they paying you. I be love a girl now.
Who be that girl wey sit down for front of him car?
No.
You still sit down there. You still sit down there. Go know who be the girl. Now. Why she sit down for in front of him?
Hey, Ify, how are you?
I'm very well. I'm almost done with the clothes. Just give me 3 minutes. Let me do my finishing
Okay,
touch.
it's okay. It's okay. All right. Yeah.
I don't understand.
Where you
I do
go?
the same and even give the guy clothes again, sir.
Just
Should they come down?
What sort of incompetence is this? I mean, how long does it take to make just one cloth? Am I supposed to sleep here? Eh? Are you still supposed to be doing finishes by now?
Hey, babe, can you just calm down, okay? Just calm down.
I cannot calm down. I cannot calm down. This girl is very incompetent, and I hate incompetent people.
Madam, even tell us where they are abroad, they do finishing touch before they give customer. No verse.
You're just making stupid excuses for your flimsy, stupid, lazy character. Just to make one cloth. Have you not been with this measurement for so long? You've had this measurement there since. She's had the measurement there since. And she could not do anything. And we have to stand, wait for you to make your finishing touches.
Shanti. Just calm down. Just wait for me in the car. Please.
I'm not waiting for you in any car. It's actually your fault we're here. You know, yeah? Because we left so many competent tailors in town where we should have dropped our clothes and they would do fantastic, fabulous clothes for us. We decided to come to this God-forsaken place to meet with this incompetent human being.
So I'm done with the clothes.
No, you're not done with the clothes. We should have brought award now. No, let's do party for you because you're done with one cloth. Let's show one party for you and give you award.
Shanti,
We're done for doing clothes.
It's okay.
Give me that. Nonsense.
Ifeoma, I'm so sorry for all this.
It's okay.
shenanigan,
Not a problem.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Sure.
Okay?
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Shanti, what's the meaning of this now, Shanti?
I made this girl just talk to like this.
Ify, who be that winch now?
I don't understand though. This girl know who she dey talk to. She get lost to that guy there for carry this thing break and she dey mad. She don't fight for this area.
They no tell her.
Can you imagine?
Hi.
Because she wear high heel.
Na the high can't even make her be like say she package. So, but you be like say that girl fine small.
Wetin fine? She no fine. How she take fine? Cause she wear makeup for face. Make she come out makeup. Look me now.
But Ify, na because of say I dey suspect say you love that guy, I make you calm.
I make now, girl. I make. Else tell me wetin go make my fellow girl stand. They talk to me like that.
So because of that, you go sit down, make pants they wear you. Now you make that local foul. They talk to you anyhow.
Girl, this one
But you need
pay
to open
me.
your eyes. If you don't go
Pay
open your eyes, I
me.
go open up for you. Shine your eye. Come make I tell you what you go do. Before you go sit down here, now pants go wear. Come inside, make I tell you what you go do.
This kind of thing never happened to
Come
me
inside
before.
first.
Yes, I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm used to customers like that. No, it's okay. No, you have nothing to worry about. I'll let you know when the remaining clothes are ready. Thank you, Phil. Okay, bye.
He called you again.
Ngo,
Yes.
that love portion. How much is it?
Okay.
Ngozi, I don't want any mistakes. Are you saying that I should tell the food what I want before I sprinkle, or I should sprinkle before I talk? Be specific now.
See, you will announce your expectations. Say what you want so that the air and the earth would listen. Everything will hear you and then you sprinkle it. That's it.
Are you sure this thing will work?
You don't trust me again.
And Phil will love me.
Overlove yourself. He will buy you car, house.
He'll stay loyal to me.
Everything. You go stay put.
Ngozi, you're sure?
You don't trust me again. What's that one?
Okay.
But you know what? Let me just leave you now.
You need to even go. He's coming soon.
Good luck.
Yes, good luck to me. To a new beginning, girl.
What's up, now, Ifeoma? Aren't you done with your other clothes?
No, they'll be ready in 4 days. Yes, and
Once again, I'm really sorry about that whole shenanigan with my girlfriend.
it's okay, trust me, I'm no longer upset. So before I arrange your things, let me offer you something. I have this neighbor that makes really nice meals. I'll go get you a plate. Sounds cool? Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I hope hope I didn't take too long.
Oh, no, yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Let me arrange your things.
Man, thank you so much for the hospitality.
Sure.
You know, it's like, why are you being so nice, you know?
I'm always like that. So I'll make sure the other ones are ready in 4 days.
Okay, I would appreciate. You know, I said you should make one like a day earlier, but something came up, so
Yeah.
I just need you to help
No
me fix it. You
problem.
know? Thank you so much. Oh wow, that's my favorite. You know.
Ah, you like what I
Yeah.
got?
Yeah, sure.
You can eat all of them then.
Oh, sorry, I have a call. Oh no, I really need to take this call. Yeah.
You sure you don't eat first?
Yeah, it's my friend. I'm trying to give him the description to this place, you know. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Namuku. Nah, the sharp one. All right, see, do you know when you get to Bayo Street, yeah? You drive all the way down, then you see an Obiora Street. You just come all the way down. Then you see my car. I think it's a Mazi something street or something. You get, yeah. You see me in a little bit, all right? I'll see you, bro. All right, now you take care, man. Okay, then. All right, now. Yeah, later. Yeah.
Forgive my manners. I
Okay.
forgot to get you water. I'll quickly get you
okay.
water. Please enjoy your
Wow.
food. It's really tasty.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
All right, then.
You like what I got, right?
Yeah, I love it. That's my favorite.
Okay,
you know?
I'll be right back.
Yeah. What's this again? Yeah. Yeah, hello?
Oh. Oh boy. Thank God say this food there. I don't the reason why I go buy food as I dey come.
Brown.
But as you get them, it makes sense.
Now what are G's for, you know?
You know, right?
Yeah, right?
Boy.
How far now? How did Johnny come there to reach this place now? Sharp, Abby.
You
He said it was really, you understood it, yeah?
one police go there.
Hey, if you meet my friend, his name is Uzo. Like, that's my G from day one, you know?
My husband, you're welcome. You bought food? But we made a very delicious afang soup. Should I get you?
Go and call Mama for me. We settle this today. Go. Mom, this arrangement is not working for me.
But you said you would give it a try.
And I did.
No, you did not.
No, Mom, I tried. Did I not allow her to stay in this house for a week? I tried, but it's not working for me. I don't love her. Mom, in fact, I don't like her at all.
See, let me tell you, her parents are expecting me to return with a bride price.
Mom, nobody's asking you to return anything. Me, I want her out of this house. I want her gone.
I want you to get married, have children, and be responsible.
And I will. But not with her.
What is wrong with you? See, Uzo, we are not done talking yet. This talk is not over. Come back here. Uzo. Uzo, I'm talking. Look at. Okay. I'll be here waiting for you. You'll meet me here.
Oh, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Something in me was telling me not to do this thing. Now I've done it and everything has gone wrong. The wrong person ate the love portion.
But you would have stopped him.
How can I stop someone I met already eating the food?
Hey.
Yeah, you need to tell me what to do. You need to tell me what to do because, I mean, it's feel like what and not his friend. I don't even know who that person is.
But are you not attracted to him?
Attracted to who? Someone I don't know? Oh, God. You know what? You need to tell your auntie to undo this. Yes. I mean, what do you expect me to do? See, I don't want problem. I beg, my armpits they clean. I don't want wahala. I beg. Since no be few, make she cancel everything. Let her cancel it.
I don't understand. Nah, subscription where they cancel. I should tell my auntie to cancel.
Because see, I no care. I beg. It's few or nobody. No come put problem for my head. I beg. I don't want another man. And see, tell her to cancel it, please. God. Because this matter is serious. I don't know why you're taking it so lightly. Another person ate the love potion. It's serious.
Yeah, you love her now.
I'm warning you, be careful. If Auntie Ify comes, don't make sure you behave yourself. Are you hearing me? Don't spoil anything. Are you hearing me? You are doing so.
Joseph.
Ify, how you doing?
What did they do here?
I want us to do one work sharp, I beg. 5 minutes, I don't come back. I promise you. I just bring my sister children, maybe help me look for. I beg. Okay?
Is this part of your plan to make me and you close again? Because I don't tell you to when they come my shop. Now you bring your sister children for me to take care of. For waiting now. Aspire and nanny shop, I've been now waiting.
Leave this thing now. This thing will not find rich. I beg now.
Why you no carry and go give your girlfriend Lovette?
You see they talk this matter. I don't break up with Lovette now.
Fine girls, how are you?
You're fine.
What are your names?
My name is Sarah. My name is Daniela.
Ooh, nice to meet you. Don't mind this, your uncle. Okay, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Okay.
But please, everything in this shop belongs to my customers. Don't touch anything. No, I hope you girls are good girls.
Yeah, good girls they'll be. They hear well, only this one sometimes, but I don't want them. Ify Beke, thank you. Ify Beke, you behave yourself. Are you hearing me? Let me rush and go to work.
Daniela, this clothes, so beautiful. Wow. I'm going to be the one to be cutting. I'm going to be the one to sew it. Use this to measure. Okay? Need to put it right here. Remove this dirty. So start cutting it. Give me the hurry. Maybe I want to know. Hey guys, you're not scared from me. Just cut it. Yeah. The people that know proper you can cut. Okay. No, before she comes back now. Oh, God. So long ago. Wow, so cut it like that. Okay, let me give you a so you can go. So, take. Oh. Okay, I keep forgetting this part. Let's. Okay. Go. Okay. I don't have time to just put it out. I don't care. That's fine. For me. So what if it does? Oh cow. This is no. That's me. Let me take picture of it too.
I thought you girls were innocent and you listened. Why did you touch my materials? I said it clearly. No one to touch what is in my shop. It belongs to my customers.
We were bored.
You were bored? You were bored. And the best thing you could do is to destroy things that belongs to my customers. So Joseph sent on Abi. He said that to come destroy my shop when you don't get money to pay me back.
Tabe, keep quiet. Keep quiet. What about think that you're a rat? Yes, Auntie. Even our bedroom is bigger than this time too, and the AC is not even working. Auntie, please stop shouting at us now.
This is too hot. I'm making it hotter.
Oh.
Auntie, I beg call Uncle Joseph, Jerry. It's too hot.
Please just give us the cloth so we can use
spoil
for our doll.
What?
At home.
Who trained you girls? Hey, give me scissors. Kneel down.
Auntie, they don't train us all.
I say kneel down. Seriously problem. Oh, they sent Joseph to come frustrate my life. Kneel down.
Baby,
This is the problem I have with you. Stop touching me. Huh? It's over, it's over. What are you still doing in my house?
What be this one?
Why you coming by this time?
I just dey close from work. I say, ma, I come check you. Yes, I just dey look you, dey smile. You be machine, forget. You be machine perere. I be the shaker. In Dabuski. Look at Bahose behind you. See what you carry for back now. For my eyes, you still be virgin. Tie, 2025, they never touch you at all.
Joseph, which part of it is over you know they understand? Go meet your baby mama. Shey you leave me cheat on me with Lovette. Continue with her now. What will be your problem?
If you will see they talk this matter.
Joseph, see, I beg, I don't work from morning reach night. For nights now, I'm going to work another one with you. They go.
Come measure me clothes. Come measure me.
Measure you clothes.
Yeah.
You know they wear my kind of clothes. They go. Where you want on my customer?
If you why you behave like this, that's how you they treat your
Joseph,
customers.
they go now. You they stress me. I don't work tired, reach nice. They go. Joseph.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm coming. Joseph, stop. Joseph, what are you?
Why you behave
I
like
will
this?
slap you. You said to play with that one.
If you wait to be this one.
No complaints.
When me and you start this one? When me and you start this one?
But I wish
Fine, get a star.
They go. Joseph, get out.
Corpus in there.
I said they go. Carry your bag, they come out.
If I won't make amends with you. The street is military. Oh. To see man hard though. You know how many girls they beg me for outside?
You are very stupid for saying that. The lady says get out, so you go out. What is your problem?
Like we were saying before the mosquito bites.
I said you should stay away from her or you leave now. What's your problem? Are you stupid or something? Huh?
Come.
Joseph, they go.
Did you touch me? See, I feel accept your touch. You touch me.
Get out. That is what she said.
This guy touched me.
Joseph, they go now. Which kind of problem is this
Clean
one
the
now?
touch, clean now. I go.
You're very stupid. You don't want to leave?
Joseph.
For your eye na laptop bag with this, I mean. Good. What be this?
Oh, is that so?
Okay. You dey fix a laptop bag, abi? What be this? Now I go chisel your head. Now plumb by bill.
Okay.
Joseph.
Tell this guy you na plumb by bill.
Where are you? Please, I need you and your boys to come to this place. I'm sending you the address right now. No. It's just one idiot, one ego that thinks he has sense. He thinks he can threaten me with.
I mean, they call okay for abi.
No. Where are you guys now?
Who be okay?
Let me text you
Joseph,
the address.
I beg. Joseph, they go
But
now.
you go treat him fuck up. When they come now, abi?
They call okay abi.
Okay, hold on. Make I text you the address.
They call nonsense.
Make I.
They call nonsense okay.
No, if I no go now. No go.
Sorry. What are you doing here? I mean, how did you locate my place?
Baby, no offense.
Your Phil's friend, right?
Yes. Don't be upset. I bought you a small gift. And you know, when a man is in love, he will always find his way. So I asked questions. That was how I was able to know here.
Why are you calling me baby?
I don't know. Since I saw you, my body has just been doing me somehow. Sorry for this idiot that just left. I don't care who he is, but I'm sorry. I promise he will not disturb you again. Hmm? I promise you. Small gift.
Hi, it's me, Ifeoma.
I know it's you now because I saved your number.
I just want to say thank you for the gift. It's really nice.
I'm glad you like it.
And also, thanks for helping get rid of my ex.
I am glad I could help. See, I even put some boys around there. If they see him come close to you, they will deal with him straight up. What about, two of us having dinner? Maybe tomorrow.
Honestly, that is a good idea.
If you're not too busy, I'll call you back.
My husband.
What are you doing here? I thought you left.
No, I went to see my auntie.
So why did you not stay there?
I came back to my husband's house now.
It's your husband. I'm begging you, Matilda. I am a grown man. A full man. Nobody has the right to bring in any woman for me to marry. My mother cannot wake up one morning and decide to bring in a woman for me to marry because she's bored. It is not done. I will not take it.
But you say you give us a chance.
Must not give us a chance. Shift. You and who? I said that because I did not want to hurt your feelings. And that is the truth. But you see, now, I don't care. I cannot continue this foolishness. So, call your account number so I can wire some money to you. That money should be enough to take care of you and your problems. And enough to send you straight to the village where you came from. Call your account number. Mama! Mama! She's not coming back to my husband. Can you imagine? You don't want... Okay, no problem.
My husband, wait for me.
Don't follow me. Don't even try it. Oh. You are welcome to my home.
It's beautiful.
I hope you had fun today.
Yes, the lunch was amazing.
That is good. That is very, very good. You see, I really shut myself out for a long time. Very, very long time. Until I met you. Yeah. My wife died 6 weeks after our wedding. And ever since then, this whole idea of dating and marriage has been a no-go area for me. You know, I don't even date. I don't try it at all.
I'm so sorry about your loss.
Thank you. You know, everything changed since I met you. I don't know, there is this... I can't explain it. This urge to date and even marry now, just... I'm sorry if I'm being fast, but you changed me. You see, what I'm trying to say is there's something about you it changed everything for me. You get what I'm saying?
I totally understand. You see, I need to start going now. You wanted me to see your place, and I've seen it, so I have to go.
Forgive my manners. Let me get you something.
I know. The lunch, my tummy is still so filled. I have to go. You said I should come see your place, and I've seen your place. I need to go back.
Child, even if it's water.
Okay, that's fine.
Now you're talking. I'll be right back.
Afana.
Ify.
Waiting they happen.
My friend.
What?
How was it?
Let me wear this one.
How was it?
It was good. Ngozi, that guy not better person. He's a nice guy. Or maybe not just the love portion, the work, I don't know. I guess so. Because how on our first date, you don't talk about marriage? Now so they work.
Are you serious? He actually talked about marriage.
Yes.
Case closed. My friend.
It's happened.
Soon to be Mrs.
And I'll go see him again tomorrow.
Really? Go love,
Hello. I better go sleep.
Welcome.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. If I don't chop.
Yes, I have.
You keep for me, I be.
I keep for you.
I better bring.
My God! Bad boy! You are a bad boy. What's that love? Don't they smell for this place, man? But come, serious. You're getting serious with this girl, oh. Before uncle. Bro, she is the one. For real?
No need.
Wait. Matilda, uncle.
You dey mad? Why you go call that kind name here now? Wetin dey worry you now? They talk of better things. You... Mom?
Oh. Hey, son.
Good afternoon.
How are you this one?
Mom, what is she doing here now? I asked you to stay back home.
Which home? I asked you which home? This is her home. She is your wife.
No. Mom, no. She's not my wife. What is this now? I'm not a child for you to bring a woman for me to marry. I don't like this now. What is this?
You want to fight me? Eh? I say you want to fight me.
No, sorry, Mom.
Don't worry. With time, you will learn to accept her. Matilda, let us go to your room.
My husband, I'm upstairs.
Na thunder go fire that your
Let us go to your room.
You and that upstairs you want to go to.
It's thunder that will meet you upstairs. What rubbish is this? Mom, I don't like this now. Why will you bring this girl back to this house?
Matilda, wait.
I don't understand.
Hold this one.
And she's even moving. You're going to a room. Which room? Are you okay? What nonsense? No, now.
You just cool down.
No, waiting be this. Waiting be this.
Cool down. Don't worry. Tomorrow morning, we'll go gather push and come up for this house. You understand?
Make her allow them make the rest.
They made it also rest. Based on
They will come out.
Push and come out.
What
My
nonsense?
guy don't see long finish. This one call they come tell me say.
Well, no say na you cause this. Why you go call that name? Now you cause this thing.
Take cause am. Which one be say this thing? Now me be your mama will bring her come out.
Surprise!
Hey,
How do I look? I just got back from the salon. You love my hair?
yes, it looks
And
great.
my dress?
You look amazing. You know now. You know you are number one. You look amazing. It's just that I have an important meeting that I'm just attending to.
But you said we're going out and I'm ready.
Yes, I said that. I did not forget. It's just that meeting came up urgently. It just came up now and I needed to attend to it.
So, That means you know they go.
No, no. You know what? Take my car key. My driver will take you to anywhere you want to go.
I should take your car?
Yes, see, from my heart, I'm giving it to you because you're already dressed and looking very beautiful. You have to exercise that right today. You will enjoy yourself. You know what? See, my ATM. Today, spend as you like. There is no limit. Spend. Today is your day. Enjoy it. Asa, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm not happy.
I'm sorry. Just come. Let me. Driver! Come.
So, who was the lady you were talking to earlier?
Well, Mama, I told you I was seeing someone. Did I not tell you? You can't just wake up and spring up a woman on me like that. I'm not a child.
See, let me tell you, ever since that Nneka episode, you have shot yourself to women.
But I'm trying to make the right choice. That's what I'm trying to do, Mom.
I know. And I also believe you don't want to make any mistake. That's why I brought Matilda. She's a decent girl from a decent family. She's humble, she's nice, she's caring, she's lovely, she's respectful, she's so sweet. In fact, she's a beautiful girl.
But I don't like her. I don't like her, Mom. Doesn't that matter? Don't I owe her some affection? I do. But I don't have it. I have tried. It's not working. It's not working and I can't force it, Mom. I'm seeing someone. I'm still saying it. I'm seeing someone.
I hope you're not making up this lady thing just to get rid of Matilda. Because I will not allow it.
Who is Matilda? Mom, there is no need to make anything up. Wait till concern me. Mom, listen. You need to see this girl. Don't worry. Soon you will see her so you understand beauty. It is who is Matilda? Who is Matilda? Mom, look. Let me tell you the truth. You are the one hurting that girl. Not me. Because me, I've already told her my mind. I am not interested. And it still stands that way. I don't want her. I don't want. Let me get my point. I want to make my call.
We shall see. Okay. We shall see.
Matilda. Rubbish.
I will see the girl that is better than Matilda in this house. Okay.
You mean your mother brought a woman for you to marry? But you're an adult. You're old enough to choose the kind of woman you want for yourself.
You see, I've had a series of bad relationships in the past. Aside from my wife passing away, I met this woman, Nneka. She was nice at first. And then over time, it became clear that all she cared about was my money. She stole from me. She lies all the time just to get money from me. She will lie with her family members just to get money from me. Basically, she was stealing from me. That's it.
That's bad.
Yeah. It's the reason I have not remarried or had anything to do with any woman, because women are terrible. Very, very terrible. They are bad. But you're different. I mean, there's something about you that makes me want to... I just feel this joy, you know? You know that thing they used to say, I want to carry you, go see my mama. Yes, I want you to meet my mother. Yes, I want you to meet my mother.
You want me to meet your mom? Also, is that not too soon?
Soon?
Yes.
No. It's not soon. It's now or never. Listen, I love you. And I know that if my mother sees you, That girl Matilda is leaving the house. If she sees you and she sees the way I feel about you, there's no way that girl is not going. And I love you. I love you with all my heart. I see us together forever.
For real?
Yes, for real. Because I love you.
Yes, ma. My mother is still alive, but my dad is late.
Oh, so sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
So, how's your mom now?
She's fine.
So how long have you been seeing my son?
A month plus.
And you think he's the right person for you? You think both of you are meant for each other?
Yes, I think so, ma, because your son is a very nice man. And I love him. We love each other.
Okay. I hope you know what you're doing. Eh?
Mom, she's the woman for me. The right woman. Not be this one way day back.
Let's hope you're right. Matilda, let us go. Don't worry. Let's go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go. Uzo. Uzo. Yeah. Okay.
It's beginning to fall in place. You see?
I'm so filled.
It's an amazing food.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
That meal was awesome.
Alright. I enjoyed it too. You know you're a good cook. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
But please, you won't end this.
No, we're good. We're so filled. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did I tell you watermelon is my best fruit?
You like it?
I love it.
Wow.
It's a babe.
Ify.
That's my love.
There's something I want to tell you.
Is everything alright?
Yes. So I really want to make us official. That's the truth.
What does that mean? Hey.
Ify, my love. Will you marry me?
You're joking.
I am not. Please just say yes and make me the happiest man on earth.
Do I have a choice, babe? Of course I will.
Yes, knees on the ground. Oh my goodness. This is so good.
This ring is beautiful. I love you. OMG! I didn't see this coming at all.
I know. I need to cough you. He's going to faint. It looks perfect on you.
Sure. How did you know my perfect size?
My eyes are deep. I have 2 eyes. Come here.
Thank you. Mama, don't worry. I don't tell you say I go marry. Levels don't change, oh. Mama, if you see the kind car where they drive now, don't worry now. Weekend, I go bring your son-in-law come for you. You don't trust me. Hey, everywhere don't stew. No problem. I will buy you those kind hairs where they wear now. I will buy for you.
Ify,
Mama, call you back.
Ify, there's fire on the mountain.
What?
It's cash, madam.
Cash, madam.
Yes.
The jazz don't expire. How much? Hope say no cost.
No be that one. Cash, madam don't run mad.
What?
Yes.
What do you mean by she don't run mad?
No be all those jazz wey she dey do for people. The thing don't backfire. Now she don't run mad. I even hear say she confess before she run mad.
Hope say she don't mention my name.
Now that one you dey talk? Yes. That one's still better now. I even hear say she say make all the people wey she dey do jazz for go confess. If not, the thing will happen to her go happen to them.
Ngozi, I don't understand what you're saying.
If you need to go and confess, so.
Confess waiting, girl. Uso has proposed to me and you're asking me to confess? My mother, they expect me to bring her son-in-law, they tell me to confess? Which kind of problem be this one? And that's all your jazz they work.
Not to go confess, so if you...
Then I will fire on and down and cash, madam. Thank God she run mad. Then she better die with her mouth shut.
Now wait till they talk with that.
Wait till they talk with that, oh. Now when everything they sweet me, they seem can go confess. Confess waiting. They confess, so. Go marry. My mother won't make her marry, I'll go marry.
Babe.
Which kind of dream can be that one? Me, running mad. When I start to dream, say I dey run mad. What I beg go?
This one you dey talk about dream. I hope say you know say they don't see Madam Cash.
Hey. Make them carry her go secure now. At least there now they will correct her brain. Because this one I don't dream about madness. I don't understand waiting they happen again.
She don't die. Now her corpse them see.
Go.
Mm-hmm.
She said what?
She don't die.
Madam Cash, don't die. Hey! gonna lie.
She don't die you.
So what did she expect me to do? All the people she give jazz, what did she expect them to do?
They will confess now. As it be so, I to go confess so.
Christ. Oh my God. Okay. So, if I need to confess, I don't feel go alone now. At least you go follow me, make me and you go together.
You don't need to talk am twice. I did now. We gotta go. I did.
Oh God.
This is the most important thing we say, you confess. So that we go day free. You know, say, as it be so if you don't confess, it's day risky.
I just said Babalawo no dey die.
Na meta, liquid meta.
Okay. No peeping. Don't peep.
What's
Don't
going
peep.
on?
Okay. Right there. They're not looking at you.
What, babe?
Okay. Open your eyes.
Surprise!
Gotcha. Hold on.
You!
Babe, this is for you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
Congratulations, darling.
Congratulations, my dear.
Thank you, Mom.
Congratulations. So because of the way we left things the other time, Phil and I decided it was only good for us to throw you an engagement party.
I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Mommy, yo.
Babe,
Yes.
Can I speak to you upstairs?
Please.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay.
They need a little bit of their time.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah, that's okay.
what we can do is to, I'm sure maybe she wants to use the toilet or something.
Yeah, you know.
But we're here, all right?
Yeah.
So please let's enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
all right? Let's-
Yes.
Chicken, do you all those things? Where did it?
Guys, come on, man. Let's just party, okay?
Party hard, bro. That's right.
Yeah. Babe, what is going on, love? Babe, why are you here alone? Everybody's looking for you out there. What happened?
Babe,
Yes.
there's something I want to tell you.
Okay, just say it. What happened? Come on, my love.
But I'm scared. I don't want you to hate me.
Hate? Honey, I can never hate you. No. I love you. Okay, just say it. Say it. Honey, can you just talk to me? I'm here, okay? Talk to me.
Babe,
Yes.
you remember the day you came to my shop?
Yes, I remember, of course. I remember. How can I forget that first day? Amazing day.
The day I gave you food to eat.
Yes, the food that I took from Phil. I remember. Yeah.
Okay.
The thing is, I put something in the food. And that thing is supposed to make anybody that eats the food to love me. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Let me get what you're saying. The food I ate, the same food that Phil was supposed to eat.
Yes.
You're telling me you put something, like you put a love potion inside?
Yes, babe, I did. Look, I'm so sorry. I don't even know what came over me. I can't even explain why I did it. No words can explain how sorry I am. Please.
You're sorry? You're sorry for what? That I ate a love potion that is not even meant for me. Hey! Jesus.
Babe, I know what I did is evil. I'm willing to make amends. Please, my love, please.
My goodness.
Babe, please, I beg you, please forgive me. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional, but I don't care about Phil anymore. I love you. I mean, I love you so much, babe. Please, I'm so sorry, please.
You're sorry. You love me so much, so I should jump up. No, Ifeoma, I should celebrate that you love me now. But meanwhile, you just the food that was meant for Phil.
Oh, God.
This love was not even meant for me. And I'm the one that ate it.
Babe.
Good Lord.
Babe, please.
What kind of evil is this?
Please, I know it's evil. I know I shouldn't have done it. I just want you to forgive me.
I should forgive you.
I wish I can take back the hands of time, please.
Don't touch me. I should forgive you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Ah, God Almighty.
Babe.
Oh my goodness. Ifeoma, you. Wow, Jesus is Lord. No.
Please,
No, don't touch me. Don't.
Hey guys, what?
Please.
What's going on here?
She's just leaving.
I'm sorry.
Ifeoma, I said leave my house. Leave my room right now. You don't want to see the other side of me. Leave now.
I'm so sorry.
Leave now. Hey!
Please.
Just get out of my house. Get out. Get out, please. Hey!
What's the problem now?
It's so beautiful. Like, I mean, see everywhere. We have to decorate everywhere. Aww.
Baby!
Uzo!
Babe!
Hey! Uzo! What is it? What's going on? Why did your fiancé rush out in such a hurry?
He's not saying anything.
Uzo, what happened?
The engagement is over.
What?
Bro, what's the problem? Say something. Come on.
Mom, please tell everyone I said I'm sorry. Okay? Sorry for wasting their time.
What happened now? Tell me, what did she do? At least we have to know what she did.
I At least.
Uzo!
Mom, please. I would love to be left alone. Please.
Uzo.
No, you know what? Just leave him. I'll talk to him. He'll come around, okay? Just. I'll say to show him. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. Bro, what's the problem?
Phil, please. I want to be alone, please.
Sorry, just take it easy, okay? Wait, what?
Honestly, I'm still trying to process what this girl told me. My head is full.
This food, you know she actually gave me first.
You were the target now. It was for you.
Jesus Christ. So is this how this girl is? As in, that's what she be?
I don't know if I should hate myself or if I should like myself. Because why am I always attracted to women like this? Why? To think that I want to marry a she-devil. And I really liked this girl. I mean, I like her a lot.
Wait, I don't understand. I didn't hear you right. After all this thing she told you, you still have feelings for her?
But was the love supposed to just disappear? Is that how it works?
Anyways, I know how this jazz thing will work. But bro, it's just crazy that I actually ate from the food. You don't understand?
No. She did not put anything in the second one.
But the one she gave me, I chopped the meat. You don't understand? Ha! Oh, more. Oh my God. How about you?
Okay. But you don't have any feelings for her?
Feeling scared. Come on, Shanti, or any day, anytime. I love my baby now. You know now.
Oh, it makes sense because I'm sure you took small portion. Now me swallow all the whole thing. I chop and straight.
Consuming fire. Oh, my bro, I feel your pain, man. I believe all this is going to pass. Yeah, because... Oh, no. I never heard this time before. I swear.
Look at you. You've not had anything since, and you're no longer the cheerful girl I used to know. Honestly, I blame myself. If not that I suggested it to you, we wouldn't have been in this mess. You need to eat something. Cheer up, babe. Everything will be fine. I feel...
Okay, I don't tire. Tomorrow morning I'll come do the work. I beg. I don't tire. I don't close. I'll call you back, Oga. Which time you begin trek? This kind God, another one, you know. Should you be the Shakara? So you don't the trek. Ha! This kind God, another one, you know.
Wait, be this one. Who be this one? Who be this donkey? Wait till they worry you.
I dey talk to woman being dog the back.
Oh, me, I be dog.
You dey mad? See, I go use vexation wey I suppose give this girl, give you now. You dey mad?
You dey ask me why I dey mad? God go punish you. You dey craze. See this.
You dey craze? Let me dey talk to.
See this elevated imbecile.
Come on, hold this one for me. I go kill this your friend though.
What do you want to do?
What is? I go leave vexation wey I get for this girl. Transfer am to you.
Oh yeah, do am now. See this imbecile animal. Mugu. You when you born pikin, when you don't fit train, you come dey mock another person.
I go finish this girl. Oh, shame unto you.
If you just wait.
You're mad.
You're crazy.
I go kill this girl.
You go kill me.
I go kill this girl.
Kill me. In best side.
Nonsense human being.
If because she's not the man, that's why she leave you follow another man.
Olódò Lápáta. Olódò Lápáta. Orí ọmọ kí ló máa ṣe ilé ọ̀dà kí ọ̀dà orí ọmọ. Ṣe. Come on for here. That is nonsense.
Stupid man.
Backside do you come
best
for
side.
here. I no fear. See person wey no be woman dey call me say I no be man. This girl dey mad though. You see what? Nonsense. Idiot. Stupid human being. I go soon go Canada. I get handwork. Na plumb by B. I go make am for this life. If you go Canada people dey get handwork. You will go. No.
Wait. Ifeoma, where did I go wrong? What did I do to you? Why did you try to jazz me? You actually jazzed me. Why? You actually jazzed my food? Why?
I'm sorry, Phil.
Hey! So your kindness and your generosity, and I should have known that stuff was too good to be true. Here was I thinking that you were one of the good people, not knowing that the food, the drinks, and everything was all for an ulterior motive? Ifeoma?
What I did was wrong.
Hey!
And I sincerely apologize. Look, if you don't forgive me, I will understand. But please, Phil, I'm sorry.
Wait, I have a question. Ifeoma, why did you tell my friend? Look, my friend is in a mess. He's a mess right now. He's in a terrible state. All because of you.
I told him because he deserves to know.
Hey.
He's a good person. And he deserves true love. The woman that did the jazz, she said, if you confess, the jazz will die. I'm sure Uzo will hate me now.
I really hope he hates you now. Do you know what, Ifeoma, my fabrics and everything that concerns me with you, I need you to get them across. I'm not interested in this work relationship anymore. I am done. I'm done, okay? I need them back.
Phil, please, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? So you think you being sorry can just sweep everything under the carpet just like that? Is that what you think? With me bearing in mind that I was a target? I can never feel safe around you anymore. I can never.
I feel nothing for you, Phil. What I feel for Uzo is true and genuine. With you, it's all in the past. I have to go now. I'll send your fabrics to you.
Please.
Goodbye, Phil. I'll send your things across to you.
Please do send them across because I can't even imagine. It's going to be crazy right now because I can't even feel safe around you anymore. Bearing in mind that I was the initial target. According to her, the charm is supposed to lose its effect the moment she's first up. So,
That's a lie.
honestly, bro, in my own honest opinion, I think that just did not work. Because I don't feel anything for this girl and I ate the food. And according to her, you're supposed to hate her at this point. So, you see now.
I feel disappointed. I feel betrayed. But hate? No, I can't hate Ifeoma now. I can't. I mean, I still care about her. I still want to call her up all night and...
Then I think you should call her. Call her.
No. She liked you.
She don't like you, man. I don't think she likes me anymore because the feeling is mutual now. And if you've forgiven her, then you're supposed to...
I can't say if I've forgiven her. It's just... I'm not sure if I have. I'm not sure if I've forgiven her.
It was out of desperation. All the men I had something to do with betrayed me. My ex Joseph, he cheated on me with my customer. They had a baby together. So my friend asked me to do this. She said it was going to make Phil love me and still loyal to me.
And then I came by mistake.
No. You came because you were perfect. Because you were a good man. I can't imagine my life without you. My happiness revolves around your existence. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that I betrayed us. I'm sorry that I disappointed you. But the truth is, I can't even imagine my life without you. Uzo, please. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. And I swear I'm never going to let you down again. I won't. I love you so much, Uzo. I do. Uzo, please. Please. Okay. I don't want to stress you. I'm going to go. But I'm sorry. Please. So, Also, please, I'm sorry. And I'm so happy that you came. Please, I'm sorry. Say something.
I keep asking myself if what I feel is real.
It is real.
I know. Because I can't stop thinking about you.
Me too.
I forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.